Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to update your Canon PIXMA software step by step. First, open your Canon software from the desktop or start menu. Then, visit Canon's site to download the latest driver. First, go to the official Canon support website and search for your PIXMA printer model.
Choose your exact printer model carefully to download the correct software update.
Now open the Drivers and Downloads section and select your operating system.
Continue the driver installation. Download the newest software version available for your device. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions.
The installation may take a few minutes depending on your system speed.
After installation, reconnect your printer to Wi-Fi if needed and restart your computer. And that's it. Your Canon PIXMA software is now fully updated and ready to use.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.